Exploring new heights, drones transforming tomorrow. Welcome to Beyond the Horizon, where we dive into the breathtaking world of drones. From cityscapes to remote landscapes, see the world anew. Have you ever wondered how drones are transforming our world? Today, we explore their impact across industries and daily life. Drones are soaring to new heights with cutting-edge technology. Innovations in design and functionality are expanding their capabilities beyond imagination. In agriculture, drones are revolutionizing the field, quite literally. They analyze crop health and ensure optimal growth, all from the sky. But it's not just farming. Drones are reshaping emergency services, providing rapid responses to crises in unreachable locations. The construction industry is also benefiting. Drones offer aerial surveys, reducing time and risk in mapping out vast areas. As we look to the future, drones promise to redefine our lives in ways we've only dreamed. Join us beyond the horizon.